Hello friends, in this video I will show how to set date format in Microsoft Excel. So we can see here is the format month, day and year. You can change easily. Select it, then data, then text column. Click on next, next, and select this date tab. And here you can select your desired like days, month, year. Then click on finish. Now you can drag and drop for this format. Or select. So here select your desired like days, month, year. Then click on finish.